Are you looking to add stunning color and elegance to your garden? Rhododendrons are the perfect choice. Today I will share expert tips on when and how to plant rhododendrons, the best time to do it, and what to expect during their blooming stages. I will also share with you the stunning colors that I have of this rhododendron in my gardens, which are the purple, yellow, light yellow, and pink. Let's dive into the world of these gorgeous flowering shrubs. Rhododendrons do have a blooming stages, and if you're wondering how the rhododendron blooming timeline is that by budding formation during late winter to early springs, you see the tight buds forming, signaling the upcoming show. And as the temperature warm up and the buds swell and begin to open into a vibrant flower, and you get a full bloom in mid to late spring, the flowers showcase their full color for about 2 to 3 weeks. And this is one of my rhododendron, and is the classic pink, which gives you romantic and charming, blending beautiful with other flowers. Once the flowers are faded, the seed pod may form. Then you can go ahead and spend time pruning the rhododendron so that you can promote health growth for the next year. Another type of the rhododendron that I have is the cheerful yellow, which is bright, sunny, and perfect for adding a pop of happiness to your garden. Here are some of the tips to help your rhododendron to thrive. You need to choose the right location, and rhododendrons do prefer partial shade with morning sun, and afternoon shade works best for them. Too much direct sun can scorch their leaves, and they don't like that. The kind of soil that they like is acidic, well-drained soil rich in organic matter, so make sure you choose that one. And the best time to plant them is during the early spring or autumn. This gives them the time to establish roots before the heat of summer or the cold winter. And for this one, I'm expecting white flowers. Here is my purple rhododendron, which gives a royal splash of color that adds elegance and depth to the garden. If you like this video, you can go ahead and hit the like button, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and you can also share your favorite rhododendron color in the comments below. And finally, we have this soft and delicate light yellow rhododendron, which has not fully bloomed, but it gives you that subtle yet stunning vibe. In summary, to ensure your rhododendrons stay vibrant and healthy, remember that you should plant them at the right time and should give them the proper soil and provide consistent water and care. With these steps, your garden will burst with color year after year. If you like this video and you don't mind sticking around, you can watch my next video where I show you how to deadhead rhododendron flowers. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, or you can also subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your rhododendron success story in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and happy gardening. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.